Hey, wait. We need to talk to this lady to start the quest. Come over here. Where are you going?
What?
We need to talk to Calypso.
Well, A, I'm stocking up the ship. B, there it is. No, that's really far away.
We gotta talk to
I'm
Calypso.
up.
Oh, wait. Come over here. I think she's gonna start talking.
Over there.
She's probably gonna start talking. She's talking. Come here.
Oh, it's in text.
These wild waters, them call to me. They've seen much to chill the blood.
Tell us a story, Grandma.
A heart of fire. But them always promise the freedom of the sea. Now, though, a new danger is coming on the tides, already a change this world to its liking. And if what it wants can't be found, it will take everything.
Oh no, not
Want to
everything.
know it's me?
That's a lot of things. Hey, don't play over the lady. We gotta get the full experience.
Lie in iron below the feet of the
These ducks are so fucking loud. Give me a second.
for ever in the sea of the damned.
To see.
Nobody but
damned.
its captain may tread below the deck of that ship. That means to learn the truth with your own eyes, you'll have to stow away. But if the ferryman him catch you, your destiny might end there. Still listening? Then listen close. All you think you know about your life and death is only the beginning. With your heart still beating, you will see those cursed shores with new eyes. When you raise up the flame of souls, all I can do is show you the way.
Do you know the way? What's in the bottle? Is she gonna drug us?
Yeah.
I don't like where this is going.
She's a firebender.
It's a portal. Wow. She just has a toy ship in her chest. Where did it
That's
go?
even more now.
Another world. And now you will do the same. Take these words for the journey. If you read them right, them whisper what has been and what is yet to be. Whispers to help you save a pirate's life. Now make sail. The
You
door
should take
is
those
open.
barnacles off her
The
arm.
prisoner is waiting.
Yeah,
Our time.
those can't be good for her skin. Oh, okay, I think she's done.
Oh, that was a really cutscene.
Okay.
Finally, gee.
Oh, wow. This is a lot of reading.
Oh, that's what that is.
Okay, let's see.
Read it me. I'll open
Twisting
these
tides
below.
pull me here, a place where the pirate's dream can live forever. Not all who journey here have the pirate dream at heart. A wretched evil seeks to end the dream. There are those who would serve it. They ache for an age of darkness for this sea of thieves. They said the thing. Death him have no dominion here. Another guards the gate between the worlds. It is the ferryman who serves. Pirate dream is freedom, but now a fate worse than death await all who hold it dear. The ferryman knows this fears this. What? The ferryman knows this, fears this, but him is duty bound. sworn to shackle the ones who could save these waters. Prisoner carried across waves of eternity, no pirates ever seen. Not while them still live, that is. The Sea of Thieves, she needs a pirate brave and true, them who have courage to stand against the gathering dark. Look to the green horizon, to the light that will carry you to cursed shores. To save this dream, the pirate life, the life of one must first be saved. Green horizon. Whoa!
That's really close. We could swim there.
Holy cow. Yeah, let's swim there. Let's do that. I'm up I'm game.
I don't want the 10-hour swim.
Okay, we find a rowboat. One of us tries to rowboat in, the other one swims.
Why can't we just take our ship?
Okay, how about this? We park the ship right outside.
Oh, there's a port up.
We park the ship right
There's
outside.
a regular.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that. But we're doing the tall tale. No distractions.
Do
We-
that.
We park the
That's
ship.
more fun.
We park the ship.
Imagine the loot we could get.
We park the ship right outside. There's a skelly galleon over there. Oh, just a sloop. We park the ship right outside the portal. One of us hops off and tries to swim in and see what happens.
Okay. You get to swim in.
That skelly sloop is heading right for us. Like, literally just sailing right at us.
The Cutlass of the Ashen Dragon is cool.
I thought you were getting supplies.
And we should stop.
Looking at swords is not getting supplies. That skelly ship is, like, within firing distance.
Let's kill them. I'll sail. You shoot.
Oh, I missed. That was close,
Did you
though.
actually take a good steering wheel this time?
It's the same one. I like it.
I'm lagging out on this thing. Hold sails.
Ow.
Best rat. Hop aboard.
Ow. One of them blundered me. I hit the mast.
Did we sink?
Come on. I'm not in range. Oh, they're sunk. Nice. So I guess we go pick up the loot and sell it. Because I know you can't take the loot through the portal.
Oh.
What are you shooting at?
And I'm laggy. The waves are going. Hey, give me a break. Here.
Alright, we got a bubble staff.
Ooh, a trident. You can't sell them for anything now, right?
No, you can't sell them. And we can't take it with us, so we have to just leave it. Thank you.
Nice. Really?
That would be a good time to have a
Man, that was a long
rowboat.
adventure.
Woo, we're done. Wait, can you damage me with it? Try and shoot me. Shoot me with the staff.
I just shot you.
No, you
Let's
shot
see
the
if we can
ground.
damage our ship with it.
No. Shoot me.
I don't
You
think
shot
I
the
can
ground.
damage our ship.
Fucking shoot me.
Stay still. I don't know how to aim.
Well, you pushed me back.
This thing
Can
is
you
worth-
wait? Can you ring the bell with it? Just zap it with a little bubble. Aw, that's a missed opportunity. Wait, what? What? There we go. Adventure is out there. Oh wait, so are we parking the ship and to see what happens if you just swim in? Nope.
Oh yeah.
Uh,
The ank right before we get
the ship just sank.
the bell icon to receive notifications.
And shoot the subscribe button. Alright, I am back.
Smash that like button.
Wow.
Use a fucking hand.
This ship is like really glitching out.
Alright, time for you to leave now.
Alright, let's go. Could you have parked a little closer? This is a really long way to swim.
Let's see who wins. You swimming or me sailing?
If we were closer, I'd win, because you'd have to take time to raise the anchor.
Yeah. I have a faster max speed, but a lower acceleration.
Wait, don't go in until I go in.
Too late.
Don't go in! No, don't go
Late,
in
I'm
yet!
going in.
No! No, wait!
Too late.
Wait! No. I could catch the ladder, but I want to see what happens if I swim in.
Goodbye.
It teleported me in because you went in.
You didn't swim fast enough.
Well, if you had parked... Wait. I want to look at the map. Oh, you can't.
Hey, we're way less laggy here. Check
Where the hell is
out.
this parrot?
Wow. Like smooth as butter.
Hey, wait, we still have our supply crate. Oh, there's the
Yes.
parrot.
Where?
Wait, where'd it go? It was right here. It was right there.
It is a ghostly parrot.
Okay, so I think what we need to do is hunt the parrot. I think that's the slash all the barrels. It could be tucking.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe these guys can help us.
What guys?
These guys over here.
Oh, yo.
Hey guys, have you seen a parrot?
Hey guys. Yo, anyone seen a parrot? Anyone? Hey, you. Oh, you can't leave the ship.
Oh, like. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Was it your parrot? Did any of you guys lose a parrot?
No, I can't man.
Oh, they're gone.
Ye come seeking adventure and salty old pirates, eh? Sure you've
Can we
come to
turn the
our
ship?
place.
Whoa, why are there people on our ship?
And hold on tight. Old hen
They're here to help us hunt the parrot.
squall
Oh.
Stop killing them. They're
They're-
helping us.
They're looking in the wrong places.
On that ship.
There's a galleon. Hiya!
Yeah, I know.
Wait, we don't have cannonballs.
Yes, we did. Oh. We have lots of cannons.
Whoa, these guys over here. Oh, that's not nice.
What?
Yeah, we can't turn the ship.
Are we good? Yeah. Okay. New plan. Raise sails.
So, uh-oh.
If we can stop the ship. No!
Oh,
We got caught in the cinematic.
I think I died. My ghost is just watching us. Your title. Hero of a glittering horde is just covering up the entire ship. It's really breaking the immersion here.
Wait, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
We went through a We went through a portal. Oh, we're here. Sailing the seas with all players. Why? Why did you anchor?
Oh, so we can swim.
Okay. There's nothing here.
Wait, don't move. Ah, I ruined it.
What? What did I ruin? No, don't leave without me.
Your sword was disconnected from your body, but it was just sticking out like a giant penis.
That's vulgar.
Yeah. Yeah. That's how you get extra distance on your sword punch jumps. We're on the island.
Yeah, I could tell.
I'm gonna hang us.
Right. Let's hop on the island. And
Oh, there's a dude. Let's kill him.
oh, there's a dude? Wait for me.
Oh, it's just a rock.
Wait, what? That must have been one fat rock.
Do you have any mangoes?
I actually found a dude.
You did.
Yeah, over here.
It's Bell.
Let's go. Oh wait, it's just a rock. Is this the rock guy you were talking about? His bell doesn't ring.
Let us shoot the bell. Oh, yes it does.
Eka. I got it.
Wait, there's a cave. Hey, there's water.
Ooh, shiny blue rocks.
Bright accursed light, upon tales of old and ill deeds, long past.
I got a flame of
I feel
souls.
like I'm on a Disney ride.
I got a flame of souls. Oh wait, I think we need to light these guys' lanterns.
Ava, help!
Light his
Save
lantern.
us. Save us. Why do I?
'Cause, I don't know.
Save us. Save us. I'm dead and I told a tale. Help, I'm stuck. I'm back.
Oh wait, we need to light these as well? No? Oh wait, this guy has one.
Check out this guy.
I just broke his
Wait a
arm.
minute.
I just broke this man's arm.
Unbreak it.
Where's the other lantern? Did we miss one? It's this guy. Oh wait, there's another cave over here.
Maybe we get to go there.
Do you see another?
Just leads to.
Oh, right here. Oh my gosh. This is already getting annoying.
Hey, look.
The phantom guys are back. The door opened.
Do you guys know where the parrot is?
Yeah, have you guys seen a parrot?
I don't think we're gonna get any answers from these idiots.
Yeah, they don't.
Hey, why is
Wait, they're
your
talking now. They're talking.
bigger than mine?
Have you seen a parrot?
That lady's nodding. Where is it?
Where's
That
the
was-
parrot?
She disappeared. Where is it?
Hey, this guy's a sword. That's a fancy. I want that sword. I
This
want that
sword's
sword
cooler than
skin.
mine.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Hey, they're singing.
Yeah. But not about where the parrot is.
Yeah, where the hell is the
So,
parrot?
Kind of worthless information.
This guy has a cool sword too. Yes, we fucking get it. This guy has a super. What is that?
Nobody.
This guy got stabbed by a fire poker. Oh, they all shot each other.
I still can't like shake off the Disney.
Yo,
Oh,
you're
we need
just.
to find a handle.
You're running really far ahead. What do we need to find? Oh,
It was because
we
this
need
is
a
like really
handle.
boring Disney ride,
Oh, is it the guy?
so they
Is it
didn't care.
the thing that stabbed this guy?
I found it.
Was it behind the waterfall? Of course.
It was stuck in the skeleton, so it was the thing that stabbed the guy. Hold on, my eyeball is super itchy.
Just put the handle in.
I told you, my eyeball is itchy.
Can I close the door? Oh, you can't close the door.
Properly warned ye be, says I. Who knows when that evil curse will strike the greedy beholders of this bewitching treasure?
Okay. Do not fall down.
Ooh, I'm gonna fall down here. Actually, no. I think that goes way far back.
Okay, this is some really boring shit. I'm just gonna run past all of it.
I lit a lantern.
Sit closer together and keep your ready hands. That be the best way to rebuild our enemies. And mark down the word. Dead men tell no tales.
Yes, we get it. Shut the hell up. Heh heh heh.
It's intended to. Now what?
Now we jump.
How'd you do that?
Parkour, parkour. Parkour, parkour. Damn it.
Parkour, parkour.
Did you hear? Did you hear the news? Dead men don't tell any tales.
What? Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got one for you.
What?
People that are dead are not able to tell tales.
Holy shit, that's insane. What are we supposed to be doing? Torches are lit. Send aid to Gondor.
I figured this would drop when I read that.
Yeah, but
These, ugh,
It's
do we have
not
to wait for
dropping.
These idiots?
oh my gosh.
Okay.
Get over here. Yeah, light. Wait, have any of you guys seen a parrot?
Probably a bad idea.
I'm gonna board him. Oh.
Yeah, didn't work. David,
You guys
know
seen
they
a
haven't
parrot?
Seen a parrot because have you heard? Dead men tell no tales.
Oh. Right. They're dead. They wouldn't tell us if they did. I'm stuck. I am
No.
a god. What?
Why did I teleport here? I fell in the water.
You teleported?
Yeah, I teleported over here after.
Oh,
falling in
wait, the
water.
torches are
Like,
turning
you know the
green.
black screen mermaid.
Huh.
I want some. Everything is good.
Oh! Do we get to keep it? But they don't tell any tales.
Oh, hey,
Oh, a map.
they do here. So
Um,
much money. I want.
so yeah, there's all this money, but we don't get to keep any of it?
Imagine if you got to hold F to take this money. There's even like these sacks which you could normally.
Hey, do you
can't
think
use
this
to-
guy knows where the parrot is?
Yeah, because dead men can tell tales here.
Yeah, yeah.
Tell us where the parrot
Tell
is.
us where the parrot is.
Oops. I have a better idea. Tell us now.
Wait, maybe if we make friends with him.
Oh yeah.
It's just trying to make friends with you. Oh, crap. More parkour. And my guy won't sprint. There we go. Whew.
What happens if we die down here?
I'm a parkour god. There's an armory.
I wanna jump
Does
in
that mean we're
this
gonna have to fight people?
trinket.
We have to fight people. What are we supposed to be doing up here?
Oh, I have
Oh.
a Brig Seat sword. I'm totally gonna use that instead.
What it? Oh.
You're supposed to be able to have that.
Oh. I guess that's why they give you the armory,
That's
in
why
case you
not.
don't have a sword. Oh, do we need to cut this one too?
Stupid double gunners.
You've seen the cursed treasure. You know where it be hidden. Now proceed at your own risk. These be the last.
Wait. Oh, we have to use the pulley.
Have you heard?
Get on. Get on. Get on, and I'll pull you across. No, get back here. Does it go back automatically? Huh, it does.
I want to see a speed run of this.
Woo! Water slide! Whee! Oh, that was kind of
Finally.
lame. Oh, what is that ship? Look at that big ass ship over there.
And we got a checkpoint.
Oh wait, we got new pages. Hold up.